A couple of weeks ago I did a unboxing and a review on this Enjoywood saw mitre gauge from Banggood, and I said it was slightly out of square. Someone sent me a message and told me how I could calibrate it. Now, I've been away for a couple of weeks, I've not been able to try this out, but now I'm back, I thought I'd just have a look. And it attains to the 3 grub screws that was in that little bag with the Allen keys and 3 holes that are in the back of the guide here, which I hadn't even seen. But I'm going to put that down to the fact that it came with no instructions. No instructions though. So I'm going to have a play with these grub screws and see if indeed I can calibrate it. To me, that's near enough, but there might be room for some adjustment. So that would mean that that needs adjusting outwards. So I'd have to slacken that off, adjust that, and then retighten that. That's there. That is adjusted out like that. And then retighten this. Now I would say that's now perfect. That's perfect. So that's what them 3 grub screws were for, and them holes back there. To be honest, I never even saw those holes. But that's what you get when you've got no instructions. So that was a little bit humbling. You can actually calibrate it to 45 degrees. Thank you for the message that put me straight. There's an affiliate link in the description below should you want one of these. I'll catch you next time. Bye.